Paramshanti. Today, let's understand the power of inner silence. There is a silence deeper than sound, stronger than words. It is not emptiness, it is presence, power, Paramshanti. Inner silence is not about stopping thoughts, it is about becoming the observer, still, awake, aware. Silence heals, silence listens, silence reveals truth. It connects us with the divine, where Param Shanti lives eternally. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, listen not to the noise outside, but to the stillness within. Let go of the outer world, come home to yourself. When the mind becomes quiet, the soul speaks. When we rest in silence, we return to our truth, not who we are in the world, but who we are beyond it. This is Param Shanti, the highest inner silence. You don't need to escape life, just carry the silence with you, in your breath, in your heart. This silence is your strength, your light, your Param Shanti. Param Shanti, Param Shanti, Param Shanti.